interested, I have these two books about the Maltese language. They can be bought or from Amazon, or I can send them via email as an ebook. In the description you will find, I will leave a link from where you can get them. Thank you. Maltese doesn't just have Arabic roots, it also has a strong Italian influence. In this video, we'll look at everyday Maltese words that come from Italian. From food and furniture to everyday expressions, you'll see how Italy helped shape the sound and style of Maltese today. Kċina, kitchen. Il-kċina tiegħi hija żgħira imma komda. My kitchen is small but cozy. Familja, family. Il-familja tiegħi hi importanti ħafna. My family is very important. Skola, school. It-tfal imorru l-iskola kuljum. The children go to school every day. Karozza, car. Il-karozza tiegħi hi blu. My car is blue. Cafe, coffee. Nixtieq kafe jekk jogħġbok. I'd like a coffee, please. Gvern, government. Il-gvern qed jaħdem fuq liġijiet ġodda. The government is working on new laws. Pulizija, police. Il-pulizija waslu malajr. The police arrived quickly. Knisja, church. Il-knisja tagħna hija antika ħafna. Our church is very old. Bank, bank. Għandi kont fil-bank. I have an account at the bank. Interessanti, interesting. Dan il-programm hu interessanti ħafna. This program is very interesting. Vjaġġ. Il-vjaġġ lejn Sqallija kien twil. The trip to Sicily was long. Staġun, season. Is-sajf hu l-istaġun favorit tiegħi. Summer is my favorite season. Xenarju, scene. Ix-xenarju kien sabiħ ħafna. The scene was very beautiful. Serju, serious. Huwa raġel serju ħafna. He's a very serious man. Nervus, nervous. Kont nervus qabel l-eżami. I was nervous before the exam. Honest, honest. Ir-raġel onest ħafna. The man is very honest. Parlament, parliament. Il-parlament jiddiskuti liġijiet ġodda. The parliament discusses new laws. Frotta, fruit. Il-frotta hija tajba għas-saħħa. Fruit is good for your health. Ċikkulata, chocolate. Inħobb iċ-ċikkulata. I love chocolate. Avukat, lawyer. L-avukat qed jipprepara l-każ. The lawyer is preparing the case. Grazzi, thank you. Grazzi, ħabib tiegħi. Thank you, my friend. See how many Maltese words come from Italian? That's the European side of our island's language. Warm, expressive and full of life. Next, we'll look at English words that made their way into Maltese. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Maltese lessons. Grazzi ħafna.